Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the invisible body effect on TikTok. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So what is this invisible body effect? It basically makes you invisible on a TikTok video. So let me show you how to get this effect and how to use it. So first, you want to open up your TikTok app. Next, you want to tap on search here, the top right. Here you want to type in invisible body. In your search results, you'll see this invisible effect, the invisible body effect. Tap on it and it should look like this. For those of you who cannot see this effect in your search results, don't worry, you can go back and you can tap on the plus sign here. Next, you want to tap on effects at the bottom left. Then you want to tap on search and you want to search invisible body effect. And there you go. It'll show up here. Tap on it. And now flip the camera. So the trick is to move out of the camera view first, then move back in. Once the camera recognizes your body, it'll then make you invisible. Now go ahead and create your TikTok video using this effect and then post it on TikTok. And that is how to use the invisible body effect on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.